and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. As you can see from the title of this video, we are going to be doing a Morphe and Cherry Coke palette tutorial demo review. So I only picked up one of the lip glazes. I don't know if there were multiple. This was literally the only one that was in the store. So this one is the Sittin' Pretty color, or Sippin' Pretty. I need to slow down when I'm reading stuff because I've been messing up lately. But Sippin' Pretty Cherry Coke. This is the Cherry Lip Glaze. And then the Cherry Coke, of course, the eyeshadow palette. So the eyeshadow palette is a 18 shade palette, and it says that'll cherry you up. What a dad joke. So this is the packaging. Very cute. It's embossed right here where you can kind of feel the lettering. And it does look very much like a Coke. Like a can of Coke. So these are what the shades look like on the inside in the pan. Morphe really has nothing to prove to me here. I'm a huge fan of Morphe Cosmetics. I know that it's gonna be great, but just in case, let's see what it does anyway. So I did just go ahead and use my Morphe. This is the Eyelid Primer, and I'm going to just go into this palette and start working in the shades. I'm not sure exactly what colors I want to use first, but I know that we're gonna use these shimmers for sure, for sure. So I think we're gonna do like a halo eye, something super cute, but kind of simple. I'm going to have it really deep because I really wanna use these shades right here, and I really wanna use these shimmers here as well. So I'm gonna start with this shade here. I'm gonna take this color and put it in my crease and work it in. Like I said before, Morphe is just like, honestly, I feel like the way that they are priced is so low for how great their products are, but let's just not say that because we don't want them to raise it. But I know that this color is gonna come out looking great, which it does. I can't remember the name of it and I lost the sheet already, the clear insert, otherwise I'd be able to tell you what color it is, but I don't really know anymore. So now that that color is blended into my crease and it looks very nice already, I'm going to go into this shade here, and then these two shades here. I'm going to blend them together and then put them on. Wow, this looks very nice. So I brought it into the middle in my inner because I remember saying that we were going to do a halo eye. So now I'm going to take this shade here, this dark one here, and with a different brush, a smaller brush, and I'm going to blend a little bit lower so that this gets really deep. So now I'm just going to take a different brush and go into this pink shade here and start to blend that out. So this is looking really pretty. It's very dark. I love that. I'm going for like a smoky eye, so it really does look good. Now I'm going to take my micellar water and just kind of get rid of some of the excess that's on the middle of my lid where I want to do the halo. So I'm just taking the micellar water with a Q-tip. I literally have makeup all over my hands. Look at that. It's ridiculous. My camera cut off. I didn't even realize it, but I went ahead and cut out my crease for the halo, and I'm just blending in those outer corners just because they were like, it was kind of a mess, to be honest. But so now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and take an eyeshadow brush and go into, I think I'm gonna use this in the middle and then bring this in the outer, like that color in the middle, and then the more pink shade right here. So let's do that. Whoa, that looks Morphe. It just never disappoints. I wouldn't even call this like a review because I'm already biased. I love them so much. I love this shade. This is like ideal. This is exactly how I needed it to come out. I'm just gonna wipe that brush off a little bit, and now I'm gonna go into that pink shade that we talked about using, the pink shimmer. Now, I am seeing some fallouts right here, so that's not my favorite thing to deal with, but I feel like with shimmers, it's to be expected, so it's fine. It's doing everything else it needs to do, so I guess it's okay, you know? you gotta find fault somewhere, I guess. So I'm gonna go back in with this. Somebody got fireworks and I'm unsure why we're still shooting them off. Why are we still fireworking? It is literally August. No, it's September now. Why are we still fireworking? I don't really know. It's Texas for you. We just do whatever we want here apparently. But anyway, let's get into this eye look again. See how this is coming out. So overall, I'm very happy with how this is looking. I'm going to go ahead and finish this look off with liner, lashes, and mascara, and I will come back to show you the final eye look. I'm even gonna pop on the other side because I thought I was gonna do 2 different eye looks, but I think that I really want both my eyes to look like this. So I'm gonna finish the other side and then we'll move on. This look came out bomb, just like how I knew it would, because Morphe is just like top tier, chef's kiss. So now we're gonna get into this lip stain, or this Cherry Lip Glaze by Morphe. This one is the shade Sitting Pretty. Like I mentioned before, it's a very cute color. The packaging again is very cute, very Coca-Cola like. So let me wipe off this lip gloss and let's get into it. So I'm kind of wondering if I should use like a lip liner, but let's just see how it looks like by itself first. It smells like cherries. I can definitely see a tint to it, but I do think that I should probably use a lip liner to deepen up the look, to make it deep just like my eye makeup is. So I think in the future, if I do use it, I think that I will put like a lip gloss, I mean not a lip gloss, a lip liner on just to deepen up this look so that it matches my eye makeup. I'm not mad at it though. It is a nice lip gloss, just not very dark, not very deep. So overall, I think that this collection is very cute. The packaging is great. The eyeshadow, I think it looks really good. Morphe always blends out really well and the pigment is always there. There's very little fallout. The shimmers are great. Of course, I'm in love with Morphe cosmetics. I think that they're so affordable for everything that you get. The packaging is so cute. This palette was $24 at Ulta, and I mean, it's a pretty good deal for all of the colors that you get. I feel like you could get more versatility out of the palette than just pink looks, because there are so many neutrals and dark browns and everything. You can go for a daytime look or a nighttime look. So I would say that this palette is definitely a must-have. If you were thinking about it, girl, go get it. I know I've been saying that in the past few reviews, but I've just been picking up some great stuff from Ulta lately. Now for the lip gloss, I would say that this is a little bit overpriced for what it does. This is a $10 lip gloss from Morphe. It smells good, it looks okay, it looks nice, but I've had other lip glosses that I've gotten for cheaper and they look the exact same. So I do kind of feel like this is a little bit overpriced, but I feel like because it was part of the collection, that's why it was $10 instead of like $5, like NYX lip gloss is. But overall, I would say that the collection is pretty good. I would miss on the lip gloss if you were thinking about getting it. I mean, it's okay if you want it, but I just feel like it was a little bit overpriced for what you get, because it doesn't really, I don't see the value, basically is what I'm saying. But with the eyeshadow palette, I definitely see the value. This one definitely is a must-have in your collection. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, duh, you're here. Like this video. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this eye look, and you will see my face in the next video.